Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all students? I hope you'll be fine in the best condition of health and iman. Welcome to Dar-e-Arqam school, Faisalabad region. First of all, we recite dua. So raise your hand for dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen. Students, take your English book from your bag, and this is your English book. Are you ready for reading? Good. Our lecture number is 14, subject English. Lecture 14, subject English. Today we read next half page, page number 18. Book page number 18. Yes, open the book page number 18. Today we read next half page, and topic of this page is word opposite. Word opposite. Are you ready, students? Good. Look at the picture. Yes, what is it? Hot. Fire, and fire is hot. Hot. Word hot and opposite is cold. Cold. Ice cream is cold and fire is hot. Hot, cold. Put your finger on second line. Yes. What is it? The picture of day. Yes, word day. Day. In the picture, we see here sun and clouds. And this is the picture of day. Day, night. Night. Look at this picture. There is a moon and stars. They are shining at night. Yes, word day and opposite is night. Day, night. Day, night. And look at the picture. Yes, happy face. Good. Happy. And this pic is very sad. Sad. Happy. Sad. Happy. Sad. And next line, there is a tree and there are 3 apples. Apples are near to tree, so we use the word near. 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 Word near and opposite is far. There is a tree and this apple is far from tree. Near to tree and far from tree. Yes. Near, far. Near, far. Yes. Put your finger on the last line. Thick. Thick. Look at the board. There is a book and this book is thick and this book is thin. Thick, thin. Thick, thin. Students, repeat this page with me. Yes, good. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. Day, night, day, night, happy, sad, happy, sad, near, near, far, far, thick, thin, thick, thin. Students, learn this page carefully. Open English workbook, page number 47. There are words. There are some words and we write opposite. Yes. Students, quickly take a pencil in your hand. Let's start. First word is big. First word is big and opposite is short. No. Small. Yes. Small. And what is the spell of small? S-M-A-L-L. Small. Small. Big, small. And second word is hot. Hot. Students, you know very well what is the opposite of hot. Good. Cold. Yes. Students, write with me and you write here cold. And third word is empty. Empty. And opposite of this word? Full. Good. Right here, full. Full. And fourth is day. Day. Fourth word is day and opposite of this word is day, night. Good. Students, have you done? Yes. I repeat this words with opposites. Okay, are you ready, students? Okay. Big, small. Big, small. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. Empty, full. Empty, full. Day, night. Day, night. Okay, students, look at the below. There is a dictation word. Yes, there are two dictation words. And look at the board. I make a circle and there are three objects: pencil, bag, book and bag. And we call these objects things. Yes, what we say? Things. So write with me. Are you ready? Okay. Things. 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 Now look at the second picture. Yes. What is it? Yes. Tooth. Tooth. Students, what is the spell of tooth? It's correct? No. Yes. We start with t. T, u, th. Tooth. T, u, th. Tooth. Students, do practice these pages on rough register and workbooks. Take care of yourself. Fi amanillah.